Read it. What?
No.
What's it say?
Get up.
Okay.
I don't want to get up.
Maybe. What's it say? Read it out loud.
Get dressed.
What are you doing? Read it out loud.
Mommy is talking me and Charlotte.
Taking.
Taking me and Charlotte to Disney.
Come on, get dressed. We're going on the plane. Oh. We're going to Disney World. I thought there'd be screaming.
You'll have to.
Are you too tired?
What about school?
No school. 4 days. You're out.
No, 3. Thursday and Friday.
Yeah, and I'm taking you now. So you're out of school Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday.
How many days is this?
You're out of school 4 days. We'll be there 6 days. Me, you, and Charlotte.
Why not Daddy?
Because he's not coming.
He's got to go to work. He doesn't have the time off.
Are you excited?
Yeah, a little.
Ah! All right, goodbye.